In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set access and permissions in your hierarchy in ClickUp. When you're managing a space, folder, list, doc, or even a single task, the share controls are your command center for who can see and do what. Start by opening the exact location you want to manage and click Share at the top right. This opens a panel that shows everyone who currently has access and their permission levels. A quick tip before you change anything: share at the most specific level you need. Sharing a space can grant access to everything inside it, while sharing a single list or doc keeps things tightly scoped. This helps protect sensitive work and avoids accidental oversharing. Inside the share panel, look for the option to invite by email. Type the person's work email and choose the right permission before sending. View only is great for stakeholders who just need to stay informed. Comment access lets people leave feedback without changing content. Edit access is best for collaborators who need to create or update tasks and docs. If your plan supports it, you may also see roles like member or guest. Guests are ideal for external partners who should only see what you explicitly share. Double check the level you're sharing from: space, folder, list, or doc, so you're giving the narrowest access needed. After you send the invitation, the person will receive an email with instructions to join, and their name will appear in your share panel with the permission you selected. If you prefer a faster way to bring people in, you can invite by copy link. Choose the copy link option in the share panel to generate a shareable URL for the exact item you're on. Before you share that link, review its settings. Depending on your workspace setup, you can usually decide whether only invited users can open it or whether anyone with the link can view or comment. Use link sharing for quick reviews or temporary access, and consider setting stricter permissions if you'll be posting the link in a broad channel. After copying, paste the link into your chat, email, or documentation where your audience will see it. If access needs changed later, return to the share panel to adjust permissions or disable link access. To wrap up, make it a habit to review the share panel periodically. Remove people who no longer need access and downgrade permissions when viewing or commenting is enough. With the share button, inviting by email, and inviting by copy link, you can keep your ClickUp hierarchy secure, organized, and easy for the right people to use.